Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. I am out on the Olympic Peninsula. I'm actually at Dungeness Split Recreation Area. Haven't checked this out before. It's in Sequim, Washington. So this weekend we are headed out to the kind of the Forks area on the edge of the Olympic National Park in the Olympic National Forest. And I'm gonna meet up with Joseph here in a bit, and we're gonna try to find a nice river spot. As you can see, the weather is beautiful. We are at the end of February, last day of February, and we have our nice fall spring. So we're pushing 60 degrees with sun and it's glorious. So we said we're gonna go camping. So yeah, I'm gonna check this park out and probably hike around a bit and see what it's about, and then I'll meet up with Joseph later. So I just met up with Joseph and we are headed into the forest. Got a couple spots marked out on Onyx. Not quite sure they're actually spots. That's the fun of it. So we're gonna go explore. We're passing by Lake Crescent, which is probably one of the most insane, epic lakes and views in the country. So as we pass by there, I'll probably stop by and absorb the views for a few. Okay, we got to camp, got set up. We pulled an audible and decided not to explore for a new river spot because it was so nice and sunny out. We wanted to go to a spot we knew, and does not disappoint. Nice and clear out. Probably some fog coming in the morning or so, so we wanted to be out in the open, and basically only cars for a couple miles. We even drove through a campground to get here and there was no cars. So Joseph's already making some tacos. I'm gonna cook me up a big fat ribeye that I made, and we're just gonna hang out by the fire, chill out. Good morning, everyone. Had a good night's sleep. Got down to about 37 last night. Quickly reminded why I bring a diesel heater if it's gonna be in that range. Not because I'm cold, it's because everything gets moist inside the tent. So drying it out right now. Luckily we have a lot of beautiful sun this morning. So I'm gonna let it dry out and then we're gonna head in and grab some breakfast, but soaking up the last few minutes of gloriness. So just hit the trail after breakfast. We are headed. I've got a couple potential routes marked on Onyx, and see if we can find ourselves a river spot. Last time we tried this trail, it was closed for construction, so we're hoping they're done now. We checked the trail report from October. It said it was open, so crossing our fingers. And yeah, a couple years ago we were here and the locals told us about this trail system and how good it was, but like I said, it was closed.
Why didn't you have too much?
ourselves a little avalanche rock slide situation. I don't have the clearance to get over that by itself. Otherwise I could just go one tire up. So we're gonna go around this way. It's a little marshy, but
should be good.
We'll see if she can take 6,000 pounds. All right, wish me luck. Joseph's gonna spot me.
You're gonna slip and hit that corner. Keep coming. Keep coming. Good. 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 Stop.
All right, I made it through. Gave way a little bit, but
Oh.
you tried to take out your sidewall.
I know.
That was real close. So we made it like another 200 yards up the trail and done. Stopped. There's another group of dudes on the other side of the rocks. They just decided to camp there last night. So yeah, this trail unfortunately has met its end. We're about 25 plus miles into it and have to turn and go all the way around. C'est la vie. That was quite an epic fail. We did essentially 50 miles of trail with no good camp spots. So we headed into right at the border of Olympic National Park, the Solduke River. And I think this is a tributary that's going to it, but found a really cool, secluded forest spot. Basically it looks like Endor. We're waiting for Ewoks to come down out of the trees and attack us at any moment. No, basically perfection of Olympic National Park rainforest. Like, this is it. It is going to rain, probably not heavily, but just enough to be that annoying 39-degree mist that we love so much. But Joseph and I are hardcore. We don't care. Huh, Joseph?
Right.
Hardcore. Anyways, the day is beautiful though. We had another 60-degree day on the trails and sun. It's still sunny, but the trees are so dense you can't see it. So it's a beautiful little spot. I'll show you down here. Pretty sweet. We were gonna drive down, but with the rain, probably be pretty hard to get back up. Really steep. So we're gonna have some lunch and just chillax for the rest of the day. It's about 2 o'clock. So the benefit of getting on the road early is even with hours on the trail, we're still good. So we'll get some lunch and finish setting up and catch y'all later. Good morning. We had a nice evening, chilled out by the fire. Had some rain come in about 3:30, very light, and it's already cleared up. Looks like just be another beautiful day out here in the rainforest. We got all packed up and we're gonna head into Port Angeles, grab some breakfast. So this is the end of our journey. Thank you for joining us. Please remember, like and subscribe if you want to join me for more adventures, and appreciate you watching. We'll catch you on the trail next time.